अंग्रेजी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸ਼ਰਵਣ ਕਰਨੇ ਜੀ ਦਾਸ ਖੇਮਾ ਦਾ ਜਾਚਕ Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib in Rag Suhi. Rag Suhi provides the devotional mood. Kabir Sahib in today's Hukamnama helps us to realize the time is passing away. We all are here in this life with counted number of breaths, a set time. जो उपजयो सो बिनस है परो आज कै काल नानक हर गुण गायल है छाड़ सगल जंजाल. जो उपजयो, whatever has been created is going to perish, बिनस. जो उपजयो सो बिनस है परो आज कै काल, either today or tomorrow. There is no guarantee that one has to live by the age of 100. There is no guarantee one has to live for 50 years or 10 years. There is no guarantee. So Kabir Sahib in today's Hukamnama inspires us to look after how we manage our time. Whether we are 10-year-old, whether we are 5-year-old, we should manage our time well. When it comes to going to work, and you have to do the morning shift, starting at 6 o'clock in the morning, what do? You set an alarm. So you can wake up well before 6 o'clock. It gives you time to get ready, have your breakfast, and go to work. Time is fixed. Job starts at 6 o'clock. But the time when everyone has to depart from this world is not fixed. So which means we have to have the alarm on all the time. We don't know what is around the corner. Akal Purakh Vaheguru has blessed us with his presence within our body. Har jiyo gufa andar rakh ka vaja pavan vajaya. Har means Vaheguru, God. Jiyo means soul. Har jiyo gufa andar rakh ka. Gufa means cave. This body is referred to as a cave. Vaja pavan vajaya, and Vaheguru has given us the breath. We take the breath in and we breathe out. This is harmonium. This is an organ. Without the air, we can't even talk. So, air coming in and going out is like an organ. Vaja, pavan vajaya. Now, this is very important. There is a soul in the body, and there is an air that goes in, circulates through the body, energizes the blood cells, and then we exhale. Same air we can use. It's a tool to connect ourselves with Vaheguru, who is inside us. So the Guru Maharaj reveals in Anand Sahib Bani, Har jiyo gufa andar rakh ke vaja pavan vajaya. वजाया वाजा पौन नौ द्वारे प्रगट किए 10वां गुप्त रखाया. द्वारे means gates. There are 9 visible openings in the body, like eyes, nose, ears, mouth, etc., etc. You can see them. They are visible. But the 10th gate is gupt, is hidden. And that is where Vaheguru's anahad naad is vibrating. Sun samad ahnat tainad keh na jai achraj bismad. Those who have been there, experienced the presence of God in 10th gate, they are wonderstruck, absolutely fascinated. गुरुद्वारे लाई भावनी एक ना 10वां द्वार दिखाया. With Vaheguru's Kirpa, when we pray to Vaheguru, help us to experience yourself. Vaheguru, we want to have your darshan. Then with Vaheguru's Kirpa, one starts practicing Guru's teaching, loves Gurbani, loves following Guru's hukam. Gurdwara lai bhavani. Bhavani means love. Gurdwara means Guru's door, which means Gurbani, Guru's hukam. One starts loving Guru's hukam, practicing Guru's hukam in their lives. एक ना 10वां द्वार दिखाया. They see the 10th gate. Amazing. They can see the 10th gate. They can see Vaheguru face to face. So air helps us. With the mouth, we say, Ek Onkar. Now I could say Ek Onkar because there is an organ of air flowing through my body. You could hear it because of the air. Air transmits that Shabad in your ears. Once you start chanting with your mouth, Jehba gun gobind bhajo, karan suno har naam, that is the process. Keep your focus in the Shabad. Tun mein dhyan, dhyan mein jane. Now you can see why. You can realize why. But your life, your thinking should be absolutely clean and immaculate. You can't be hypocrite. There should be absolutely honesty in your mind. You should be truthful. There is no hidden agenda there. This is very, very important. Tun mein dhyan, dhyan mein janiya, Gurmukh akat kahani. You have to be Gurmukh. Now, Kabir Sahib warns us, I haven't been able to see Vaheguru. Thar har kampa bala jio. My soul is afraid, is frightened. Why? Na jano kya karsi piyo. I don't know my piyo, my husband Lord, how he is going to treat me. What answer I'm going to give to my Lord that I've spent all my human life without seeing you. Rain gayi mat din bhi jaye. Rain means night. Din means day. Rain implies when you have dark hair. Youth. All my youth has been wasted. I'm afraid that my old age shouldn't go waste. Pavar gaye bag baithe aaye. Power means bumblebee, which is black. So all my black hair have turned grey like bug. Bug means crane, which is white. Rahav. Body is very fragile, Sadh Sangati. Kabir Sahib reveals, Kacha karva. It's like a unbaked pot. How can water stay in an unbaked pot? It's impossible. One day it has to perish. Hans chalaya kaya kumlani. When the soul swan moves out of the body rots. Kumlani. Kumlani means rot. Satsangaji, this is very, very important to understand. Our body is valuable as long as the soul is inside. There was a person who went to America with his son. In America, he passed away. On his way down to America, that person sat in the aeroplane, in the seat. He had a heart attack in America. He passed away. He could not sit inside the plane. His body had to be brought back in the cargo. That's how important our soul is. Without the soul, this body is useless. So Kabir Sahib reminds us again and again, whilst you are breathing, connect yourself to Akal Purakh Vaheguru. कुआर कन्या जैसे करत शिंगारा, like the virgin decorate herself in expectation that she is going to meet her husband. Without meeting the husband, all her embellishment, all her makeup, all his dress renders useless. Similarly, Vaheguru has given this beautiful body to us. When we stand in front of Vaheguru, without having darshan of Vaheguru in this life, all this life is rendered useless. No use. काग उड़ावत पुजा पिरानी, कह Kabir a katha sirani. Kabir Sahib says, all my life I've been trying to make these crows fly away. What are these crows? The crows are of lust, anger, greed, ego, and attachment. I've been trying to keep all the passions under control, but I'm tired. And there is end of my life. Kah Kabir a katha sirani. Katha means story of my life is finished. I'm tired. I still haven't met Vaheguru. So Satsangaji, you can meet Vaheguru any moment. Don't give up. Like Guru Amar Das Ji Maharaj, who came to Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj at the age of 61. At the age of 73, after having served Guru Maharaj for 12 years, he became the Guru. And he did the seva of the humanity until the age of 95, for 22 years. At the age of 73, he became a social reformer, the Guru of the whole world. So never give up. There is a hope, there is a chance that we can meet Vaheguru now, instantly. So may Sadguru bless us all. Pray for me, and we all pray for each other, so that this life becomes fruitful and we become one with our Creator. ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਫਤਿਹ ਸਾਂਝੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ